Hello, hi students, good morning. Welcome to the Math Origin. Today we are going to discuss the first exercise 1A from the chapter 1 locus of intermediate first year 1B. Okay, yeah, in this we are going to discuss about the basics of each exercise of each chapter and also every problem in detail. And the explanation will be taken in both the English and in Telugu in mid of the explanation of the problems. So yeah, let's start. Okay, introduction. In the locus, like what is meant by locus? Locus is a set of points which satisfy the given geometric condition is called as a locus. Okay, set of, for locus I can say set of points that satisfies the given geometric condition is called as locus. Okay, like ఒక సెట్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్లో ఒక జియోమెట్రిక్ కండిషన్కి సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యే ప్రతి పాయింట్ వీ విల్ కాల్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ లోకస్. ఓకే, ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if you take a circle and from origin if you are pointing any radius, this is a point P and this, for example, it is of 2 centimeters from origin to the point P. So this point is called as a locus because this will be fixed for this specific point. For example, I can say it is 2 comma 3 or something, a point which is satisfying with the origin. Okay, so and for this circle we will have n number of points which will satisfy the given condition. Like from center to this point is 2 centimeters, like that. If I have one more point which is of Q and which is also will have the same 2 centimeters. So therefore every point on the circle satisfies with the given condition, like distance between from origin to the point as 2 centimeters. Yeah, let's discuss more detail when we come across the problems in the exercise. And now let's see, like, what is the equation of a locus. For example, if you take this point OP, like a point as, okay, for the point 2, 3 and the origin as 0. No, cut. Okay. Next, the equation of a locus. The equation of a locus is given as equation of locus of a point is an algebraic equation in terms of x and y which satisfies the points xy on the locus alone. Example, if I say example, like find equation of locus. Find equation of locus where, okay, where I am writing the textbook question itself. Okay, question where distance phi from minus 2 comma 3, okay, in the xy plane. Okay, in xy plane. Yeah, it means we need to find the equation of a locus where the distance phi from a point in xy plane. Okay, in xy plane there is a for example, this is a point P, there is a point P and there is a point, some point P and some point, I can say, okay, let's take this as a point A and we are having a point P as a locus point. So for example, this is a point minus 2 comma 3 and here we are having a point x comma y and the distance between these two is phi. Okay, for two find the distance between any 2 points, we are having a formula. Distance is, for example, distance AP is equal to root of x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, this is a distance formula. Okay, now let's apply this formula to the given locus point and given point with a distance. Okay, AP is a distance. What is the distance? Phi. Okay, phi is equal to root of x1 minus x2. Let's consider this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. x1 y1 minus 2 minus x whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. Okay, is equals to 5. Root, I will turn this side, which will be 25 is equals to minus 2 minus x whole square. Then definitely it will become 4 plus x plus 4x plus 3 3 is a 9 plus y square minus 6y. The next step is like I will write it as x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, and we are having 4 plus 9 is 13 is equals to 25. Okay, next x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12. I will move 25 from right side to left side is equals to 0. Okay, yeah, this we will term it as the equation of a locus for a given specific point minus 2 comma 3 with a distance from the locus of a point of with a distance as 5 units. Okay, here ends the basic discussion on the locus. Let's jump into the exercise problems and we'll discuss each and every problem. Okay, first question, find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance 5 from a point 4 comma minus 3. Okay, if you see, in every question we need to take a point x comma y as a locus point. Okay, now if you see, let's draw a graph for this. For example, this is a point A of 4 comma minus 3 and a point B is x comma y. Okay, and they stated as the distance is 5. Okay, now the distance is 5. We know, for example, AP is the end points and the distance is 5. So AP is equals to 5 units. And if we find the distance between those two, for example, distance like if we are applying the distance formula on it, if you see, root of A is a 1 point and B, example, I can say x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, the distance formula is x1 minus x2 whole square, or you can say as x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, x1 minus x2, 4 minus x whole square, 4 minus x whole square plus minus 3 minus 5 minus y whole square is equals to 5. Okay, now this root I will move to the right hand side, so the root will become square, and also I will expand the internal a minus b whole square and minus a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is 16 plus x square minus 4 to the 8x plus, or minus a minus b whole square, it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, or else you can say if you take a minus common, then it will be 3 plus y and minus square will be plus. Therefore, it is 9 plus y square plus 9 plus y square plus 2ab 6y is equals to root come to the right side and it will become 25. Okay, ikkada just only the distance formula apply chesi I have been expanded the given equation. Okay, now if you see, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y, 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, 25 is equals to 25. 25 will be cancelled. X square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y is equals to 0. Yep, this is the locus equation of the locus for the given condition, means a point and a distance equation of the locus. Okay, very quite simple if we know about the how to take the points and how we can apply the distance condition. Okay, now let's go for the second question. Find the equation of a locus of a point which is equidistant from 2 points A and B. Okay, if you see, if you take A point and if you take B point, the locus point is equidistance. అంటే లోకస్ పాయింట్ ఏ నుంచి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుందో బి నుంచి కూడా అంతే డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ ఎ లోకస్ పాయింట్ ఓవర్ హియర్, locus point as P, the distance between these two is example AP is equals to PB. అంటే AP యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ PB యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పింది, ఈక్వి డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ పాయింట్ A అండ్ పాయింట్ B. ఓకే, నౌ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, నేను పాయింట్ Pని x, y అనుకుంటా. ఓకే, పాయింట్ A మన దగ్గర ఉంది x1 y1, పాయింట్ B మన దగ్గర ఉంది x2 y2. ఓకే, మన కండిషన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ నుంచి మనం కండిషన్ డిరైవ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఏపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు పీబీ, ఎందుకంటే ఈక్వి డిస్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ అని చెప్పారు. దేర్ఫోర్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఏపీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు పీబీ. సో ఏపీ మీన్స్ అప్లయింగ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా. డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా ఇస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏపీ, ఏ అండ్ పీ. So minus 3 minus x whole square minus 3 minus x whole square plus 2 minus y whole square, 2 minus y whole square, okay, is equals to, again pb ki kuda same apply chedam, pb ki pb distance 0 minus x whole square, then it will be a minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square, 4 minus y whole square. జస్ట్ ఈ యొక్క కండిషన్ మనకు తెలిస్తే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ ద్వారా ఈ కండిషన్ మనం డిరైవ్ చేసాం. సో నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ, ఐ విల్ క్యాన్సల్ ద రూట్ ఆన్ ద బోత్ సైడ్స్. నౌ ఐ am expanding, as I mentioned earlier, minus a minus b means it will be a plus b whole square. So 3 3s are 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y, okay, is equals to other side x square plus 4 4s are 16, okay, plus y square minus 8y. Okay, have been expanded. Now x square will be cancelled, y square will be cancelled. Okay, now the equation is 6x 6x minus 4y and minus 8y. Minus 8y ఇట్ సైడ్ ఉంది, సో నేను ఇట్ సైడ్ తీసేసుకుంటా. సో 8y minus 4y, then it will be minus plus 4y. ఓకే, plus 4y and 16 రైట్ సైడ్లో 16 పాజిటివ్ ఉంది, ఇట్ సైడ్ వస్తే ఇది నెగిటివ్ అవుతుంది. సో 9 minus 16 it will be minus 7. Oh sorry, we have 9 plus 4 13, 16 it వస్తే minus 16 అవుతుంది. సో it will be minus 3. Minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, yeah, this is the equation of a locus for the given question. Okay, ఇక్కడితో సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎండ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పాయింట్ P such that the distance P from origin is twice the distance of P from A. Okay, if you see here, from the given condition we need to draw the picture how it looks. Okay, the distance of P, for example there is a P point, okay, point P from origin, and there is a origin, okay, origin O. The distance of P from origin is twice the distance from AP. Okay, A is the point 1, 2. So if the distance is x, the distance here it will be 2x. Okay, so according to this given condition, ఈ కండిషన్తో మనం ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ని డ్రైవ్ చేయొచ్చు. సో OP is equals to 2 into AP. Okay, OP is equals to 2 into AP, means distance from origin to point P is twice the distance from point P to A. Okay, now we know the point. Now okay, we can write down the statement OP distance. So now we know P is x comma y, O is 0 comma 0 as it is origin, and A is 1 comma 2. Okay, OP means I will write down the statement root of x minus 0. OP x minus 0 means x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, is equals to 2 into root of AP. Okay, AP means x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square and y minus 2 whole square. Okay, ఈ యొక్క కండిషన్ మనకు అర్థమవుతే we can derive the complete equation with an easy way. Okay, now I cannot cancel this root because we already there is a value 2 beside the root value. Therefore what I will do square on both sides. Okay, therefore it will be root of x square plus y square whole square is equals to 2 root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square and whole square. Okay, now here I can cancel the root and square. The value here will be x square plus y square, and here it will be 2 into 2 4, and this square now I have been like it is separately for 2 and for this square. Okay, now this root and square will be cancelled, then the value will be 4 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Okay, now if you see x square plus y square is equals to 4 into x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Okay, now x square plus y square is equals to okay, if you see x square only one is 4x square. Now I will write y square plus 4y square. Next x terms are only one x term minus 8x. Next y terms minus 16y. Okay, now constants we have 1 plus 4 is 5 into 4 is 20. Okay, now move this x square and y square to the right hand side, so therefore it will be 0 is equals to 4x square minus x square is 3x square plus 4x square minus y square is 3y square. Okay, minus 8x minus 16y plus 20. Okay, instead of this side I will write this equals to 0 as this side. Okay, therefore this is the given locus equation of the given point A with the twice the distance from OP distance. Okay, here ends this problem. Next question, find the equation of a locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinate axes. So first we need to know what does exactly mean by coordinate axes. Coordinate axis means a point lies on the y axis or on the x axis. Example, yeah, any point lies on the x axis is called as the x coordinates, and any point lies on the y axis is called as the y coordinates. Okay, now they mentioned locus of a point which is equidistant from the coordinates. So from this it is equidistant. Okay, and point P, let the locus of point B be x comma y, and it is P x comma y with equidistance from, for example, let's take this as A and this as B. Okay, now what will be the A point? Okay, the A point will be x comma y, means x value will be definitely this is what is the distance distance is x, comma y value will be 0. Okay, any point on the x axis or on the x coordinate, definitely the y value will be 0. In the same way, any point on y coordinate means y axis, the x value will be 0. Okay, in the same case for b, value will be 0 comma y, because y value is y distance is the distance here is x and the height from the origin it is y. That's why it is, I can say this is x from here to here and this is y. Okay, if you understand this statement or this diagram, we can derive the equation for the locus. Okay, this, as it is equidistance, we can say PA is equals to PB. Okay, PA is equals to PB. Okay, now let's find the point A we have, point P we have. Okay, therefore point PA x minus x whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is y square, and in the same case PB x minus 0 whole square plus y minus y whole square. Here root will be cancelled. Now the value is y square is equals to x square. Okay, y square equals to x square, then the statement I can write as y square minus x square minus y square equals to 0. This is the equation for the locus of a point with the equidistance from the coordinate axis. Here I can tell one statement: if a point lies on the x coordinate, then the equation will be y square. The distance from the point P will be y square. Okay, if you see here from AP, the point lies on x coordinate, therefore the value will be, the distance will be y square. If you see on the first AP square we have derived from this, but the final value is y square. In the similar case, if you see a point on the y axis, the distance will be x square. Okay, therefore x square. Hence we have derived we got this equation. Fifth question: find the equation of a locus of a point equidistant from A 2, 0 and y axis. If you see, y axis means A point will be here on this 2, 0, because y coordinate is 0, that's why definitely the value lies on the x coordinate 2, 0, and there is a point on the y coordinate, I can say point B, and the distance P is a point x, y, whose distance these both will be equal. Okay, therefore according to the condition, AP is equals to BP. Okay, AP, if you see here, the point on the y axis means definitely the point will be x value will be 0 and the y value will be, the distance from here to here is y, therefore I will take it as a y. Okay, now AP value is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, okay, is equals to root of BP means x minus 0 whole square, okay, plus y minus y whole square, which is a 0 square. Okay, now if you see, root will be cancelled. Here x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square is equals to x square will be cancelled. The equation is y square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 0. Hence this is the equation of a locus for the given condition. Okay, here ends this problem. Sixth question from the first bit: find the equation of a locus of a point P, the square of whose distance from origin is 4 times its y coordinate. So now we know origin as 0, 0 and a point P somewhere in the plane xy whose distance is square, means OP square, let's point origin as 0, OP square is equals to 4 times of its y coordinate. Okay, y coordinate. Now if you see, x equals 0. Okay, now if you see the y coordinate equals to 0, this is a condition which we have been derived from the given question. Square of the distance from origin OP square is equals to 4 times its y coordinate. Y coordinate is y, 4 times is y. Okay, now from this equation we can write OP means OP x1 y1 x2 y2, so x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square under root whole square. Okay, OP means root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, and we have square, so square add chesam is equals to 4 into y. Now square and the root will be cancelled, the equation will be x square plus y square minus 4y is equals to 0. Okay, hence this is the equation of a locus for the given condition. Okay, now let's move to the seventh question from the first bit. Okay, find the equation of a locus of a point P. Let's take point P as x comma y, okay, such that PA square plus PB square equals to 2C square, where A is a comma 0 and B is minus a comma 0. Okay, and 0 is less than mod A less than mod C. Okay, let's put these values in the given condition. Given condition is PA square plus PB square is equals to 2C square. Okay, now PA square means root of PA x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square means y square whole square. Okay, next PB means x minus of minus a means x plus a whole square plus y square. Okay, we have root and also we have square, which is equals to 2C square. Okay, which is equals to 2C square. Now if you see the given condition here, square and root will be cancelled, here the value is x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus x square plus a square plus 2ax plus y square is equals to 2C square. Okay, now if you see minus 2ax plus 2ax is cancelled, and x square is 2x square, y square is plus 2y square, and a square plus a square is 2a square. Okay, is equals to 2C square. So for the complete equation 2 is common, so I will take it out to x square plus y square plus a square is equals to 2C square. Okay, 2 will be cancelled, therefore the equation I will write as x square plus y square equals to C square minus a square. Okay, this is the final equation of the locus, and here ends our first bit all questions. Second bit lo first question, find the equation of a locus of a point P if the line segment joining 2, 3 minus 1, 5 subtends right angle at P. Okay, it means let's take point A as 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3, point B as minus 1, 5, and let's take a common locus point as P x, y. Okay, what ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే ఈ 2 points are subtending a right angle. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంది, అందులో ఈ పాయింట్స్, ఇది ఏ అనుకో, ఇది బి అనుకో, సో మన పాయింట్ పి ఇక్కడ. సో వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఈ 2 points పి అనే యాంగిల్ దగ్గర, పి అనే వర్టెక్స్ దగ్గర 90 degrees ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది అన్నాడు. సో ఇది కండిషన్, ఓకే, ఈ కండిషన్ నుంచి మనం ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ని డిరైవ్ చేయొచ్చు. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్కి కండిషన్ ఏంది? హైపోటెన్యూస్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు సైడ్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సైడ్ స్క్వేర్. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు ద కండిషన్ ఏబీ స్క్వేర్, ఓకే, ఏబీ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు పిఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పీబీ స్క్వేర్, పిఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పీబీ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, according to that statement we can write ab square 2 minus 1, 2 minus of minus 1 whole square means 3 square, okay, plus 3 minus 5 whole square means minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square, okay, which is equals to root of, here this is square, okay. Next, root of pa square, PA means x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, okay. This is complete square, okay, plus PB square, PB means x minus of minus 1, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, y minus 5 whole square, which is under root and which is square. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేను ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాస్తా, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసా. బట్ బిఫోర్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు డిరైవ్ అ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గివెన్ కండిషన్. ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ నుంచి స్టేట్మెంట్ని డిరైవ్ చేయడం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అది 2-3 టైమ్స్ క్వశ్చన్ చదివి క్వశ్చన్ నుంచి మనం ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ని డిరైవ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, so this is very important to derive a statement from the given conditions. Okay, now here it is square root will be cancelled, 3 3s are 9 plus 4 is 13 is equals to, here also square and root will be cancelled, the equation will be x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y, okay. Next, plus here also root and square will be cancelled, x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y, okay. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు చూడు 13 is equals to x square, రెండు x స్క్వేర్లు ఉన్నాయి, 2x square, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ y square, రెండు y స్క్వేర్లు ఉన్నాయి ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్, x స్క్వేర్ అయిపోయింది, y స్క్వేర్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ x టర్మ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? మైనస్ 4x అండ్ ప్లస్ 2x, ఇట్ విల్ బి మైనస్ 2x, ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ y టర్మ్స్ మైనస్ 6y మైనస్ 10y, ఇట్ విల్ బి మైనస్ 16y. నెక్స్ట్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ 4 ప్లస్ 9 13, 13 ప్లస్ 1 14, 14 plus 25 which will be 39, okay. Now ఈ 13ని ఈ 39లోకి మైనస్ చేయండి, ఓకే. Now the equation will be 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 16y plus 39 minus 13, it will be plus 26 is equals to 0, ఓకే. కంప్లీట్ ఈక్వేషన్లో అన్ని ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సో ఒక 2 కామన్ తీయచ్చు. 2 కామన్ తీస్తే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 8y ప్లస్ 13 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. దేర్ఫోర్ 2ని ఇటు రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించేస్తా, దేర్ఫోర్ అది 0 అయిపోతుంది. దేర్ఫోర్ ద ఫైనల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ minus 8y plus 13 is equals to 0. Okay, here ends this problem. Okay, first question అయిపోయింది. Now next question, second question. The ends of a hypotenuse of a right angled triangle are 0,6, 6,0. Find the equation of a locus of its third vertex. Okay, same ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ కూడా రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అని చెప్పిండు. హైపోటెన్యూస్ యొక్క ఎండ్స్ 0,6, 6,0 అని చెప్పిండు. థర్డ్ వర్టెక్స్ మన పాయింట్ పి అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, సేమ్ మన ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం చేసినట్టే హైపోటెన్యూస్ ఎండ్స్. ఓకే, ఇది ఏ అనుకుందాం, ఇది బి అనుకుందాం అండ్ ఇది పి అనుకుందాం. సో ఇది హైపోటెన్యూస్ కదా, సో హైపోటెన్యూస్ యొక్క ఎండ్ వాల్యూస్ ఎంత, ఇది 6,0 అండ్ ఇది 0,6. ఓకే, పిఎం అనుకుందాం, పి x,y అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, మనకి ఇంకా ఈ వాల్యూస్ తెలుసు, ఒక గ్రాఫ్ కూడా డిరైవ్ చేసాం. ఈ గ్రాఫ్లో ఇది రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అని తెలుసు. సో ఇందులో నుంచి మనం రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏంటి, హైపోటెన్యూస్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు సైడ్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సైడ్ స్క్వేర్. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ ఏబీ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు పిఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పీబీ స్క్వేర్, పిఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పీబీ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, ఏబీ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏబీ వాల్యూస్ 6 minus 0 whole square means 6 square plus 0 minus 6 whole square అన్న కూడా 6 square. ఓకే, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఓకే దీనికి స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ పిఏ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 6 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పీబీ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై మైనస్ 6 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ దిస్ విల్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు రూట్ టు స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సల్. సో లోపల 6 స్క్వేర్ 36 ప్లస్ 36 ఇట్ విల్ బి 72 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు హియర్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సల్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 36 మైనస్ 12x ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సల్, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 36 మైనస్ 12y. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు 72 కూడా రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ పంపించేస్తా. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తా, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ 2x స్క్వేర్ అండ్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2y స్క్వేర్. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అయిపోయింది, వై స్క్వేర్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ ఇస్ మైనస్ 12x. ఓకే, మైనస్ 12x. నెక్స్ట్ వై టర్మ్ మైనస్ 12y. ఓకే, ప్లస్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఏంటి, ప్లస్ 36 ప్లస్ 36 72. ఇప్పుడు ఇది 72 అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్లో కూడా 72 ఉంది, రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. సో అన్ని వాల్యూస్ అయిపోయినాయి. దేర్ఫోర్ 2 కామన్ ఉంది, 2 కామన్ తీసి రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ పంపించేస్తా. దేర్ఫోర్ ద ఫైనల్ ఈక్వేషన్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 6x మైనస్ 6y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0. ఓకే, దీంతో సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా, ఒకవేళ మధ్యలో ఎక్కడ అర్థం కాకపోయినా కింద కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కమెంట్ చేయండి, లేదా అలా కూడా కుదరకపోతే ఈమెయిల్కి themathaorigin@gmail.com మెయిల్ చేయండి. తప్పకుండా మేము రెస్పాండ్ అవుతాం, మీ క్వశ్చన్కి సొల్యూషన్ చెప్తాం. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సెకండ్ బిట్. ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పాయింట్ P, ద difference of whose distance from minus 5,0 is 8. Okay, here I have written the question in the short forms due to the space constraint. స్పేస్ లేక నేను ఈ క్వశ్చన్ని సగం షార్ట్ ఫామ్స్లో రాసా. సో మీరందరూ ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ని రిజాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు, ఈ వీడియో చూస్తున్నప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది. ఓకే, యూ షుడ్ క్యారీ ఎ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ వైల్ యూ ఆర్ రిజాల్వింగ్ దీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, యూ షుడ్ కీప్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ aside, then you can go through these videos. Definitely it will give a good understanding of the question and answer. Okay, let's go into the problem. Difference of whose distance from points is 8. Okay, it means points are A minus 5,0, B of 5,0 and P, our locus point is P is x, y. Okay, according to the condition, the difference of whose distance from this point of these 2 points is 8. It means PA minus PB modulus equals to 8. Okay, it means PA minus PB, the difference is 8. Okay, now from we know PA minus PB, let's keep it as equation 1, and to find out this equation, what we need to do, we need to perform PA square minus PB square. Okay, let's perform pa square minus pb square, which is equals to root of pa square. Pa square means x plus 5 whole square, x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is y square, which is whole square minus pb square. Pb square means x minus 5 whole square, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 means y square, which whole square. Okay, now root square cancel అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ నెక్స్ట్ x square plus 25 plus 10x, ఓకే, ప్లస్ y square. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ x square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఇది డిరైవ్ చేస్తాను. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది, x square plus, ఓకే లెట్స్ రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్, 25 plus 10x plus y square minus x square minus 25 plus 10x minus y square. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ y square క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది, y square క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది, minus 25 plus 25 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది, x square క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది. రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ ఎంత, 10x plus 10x, which is 20x. Yeah, now if you take a square minus b square means pa plus pb into pa minus pb into pa minus pb, okay, which is equals to 20x. Okay, now we have pa minus pb. Pa minus pb value is 8x. Okay, okay, pa plus pb is equals to 20x by 8. Okay, 4 2s are 4 5s are, therefore that is equals to 5x by 2. Now this is second equation. pa minus pb we have, pa plus pb we have. Now let's add both equations, 1 plus 2. It will be pa plus pa, 2pa, okay, and minus pb plus pb, it will be 0, which is equals to 8 plus 5x by 2. Okay, therefore it will be here it will be, the value will be 8 LCM 16 plus 5x by 2 ఉంటుంది. So it 2 I will send left side, so it will be 4pa is equals to 16 plus 5x. Let's do squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. Okay, next if you see squaring on both sides means it will be 16 into pa square is equals to 16 plus 5x whole square. It means 16 square, a square, 16 square means 326, 256, okay, 256 plus 25x square plus 16 5s are 80, 82s are 160x. Okay, now left hand side it will be pa will be root of pa root of this value, x minus of minus 5, x plus 5 whole square means x plus 5 whole square plus y square, and root square cancel అయిపోతుంది. So we have only this value, okay, which is equals to, okay, which is equals to 256 plus 25x square plus 160x. Okay, 16 256. Okay, now let's expand these statements. Okay, let's write it here. 16 into x plus 5 whole square means x square plus 25 plus 10x, next plus y square. Okay, Now this will be 16x square plus 25 into 16, 5 6 are 30, 6 to 12 plus 2 150, 25. So it will be 400. So this is 400 plus 160x plus 16y square, okay, is equals to, I'm taking the test, is equals to, right hand side we have 256 plus 25x square, 256 plus 25x square plus 160x, okay. If you see here, 160x will be cancelled, x square, okay, x square value is 16x square. I will move this to left side, it will be 16x square minus 25x square, it will be minus 9x square and plus y square, it will be 16y square. So this value is done, this value is done, this value is done. The remaining value is 400 and 256, which will be, I will do here 256 minus 400. It means 400 minus 256, 400 minus 256 is 10, 4, 9, 4, 1, 144, which is equals to minus 144. So here I will take common, 9 as minus as common, so minus 16y square, okay, minus minus cancelled. Therefore what I will do, I will bring this 144 from right hand side to left hand side. So 9x square by 144 minus 16y square by 144 is equals to 1, okay. 3 3s are 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 3 1s are 3 16s are, okay, 16 1s are 16 9s are, okay. Therefore the equation will be x square by 16 minus y square by 9 is equals to 1, okay. Here got the equation for the locus of the given points, okay. Now let's resolve, this is a question. Now next resolve the fourth question, okay. Fourth question, find the equation of a locus of a point P if a, b, pa minus pb equal to 4, okay. Similar to our previous question, pa minus pb equals to 4 they give, a, b they give, let's take a p as x comma y, okay. Now we have pa minus pb is equals to 4, okay. Let's consider this as equation 1. Now let's do pa square minus pb square, okay, pa square minus pb square, which is equals to yeah, okay, let's write it, root of pa x minus 4 whole square plus y square whole square minus root of pb x minus of minus 4 x plus 4, okay, plus y square whole square, okay. So root square cancel, okay, which is equals to x square plus 4 for the 16 minus 8x plus y square minus x square plus 4 for the 16 plus 8x plus y square, okay. Now if you see x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square minus x square minus 16 minus 8x minus y square, okay. If you see x square cancel, y square cancel, okay, x square cancel, y square cancel, 16 also cancel. Now we have only minus 16x, okay, we have minus 16x. So I will write this statement here, this I can write it as pa plus pb into pa minus pb is equals to, we got minus 16x, okay. Now we know pa minus pb is 4, okay. మన దగ్గర pa minus pb equals to 4 ఉంది, సో అది ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం, okay. pa plus pb into PA minus PB is 4, which is equals to minus 16x. 4 ones are 4 fours are. Okay. PA plus PB is equals to minus 4x. Okay, this is the equation 2. Okay, equation 1 undi, equation 2 undi. Let's add both equations, equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Therefore, it will be PA plus PA, 2PA minus PB plus PB. It will be 0, which is equals to 4 minus 4x. 4 minus 4x. Okay. Now, let's perform squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay. It will be 4 PA square is equals to 4 minus 4x whole square. Okay. Now, if you see, yeah, what I will do, this one I will write it as 16 into 1 minus x whole square. Okay. I have taken 4 as common and 4 square I made, and the remaining inside is 1 minus x whole square. So, from here 4 and 4 fours are, it will cancel. PA square. So, PA square means we have the statement for PA square. This is a statement for PA square. Okay. PA square means I will write it down here directly. X square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square. Okay. X square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square. PA square. PA square we have written in our previous steps. Okay. Therefore, that is equals to 4 into, this value is 1 plus x square minus 2x. Okay. Therefore, the statement is x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square is equals to 4 plus 4x square minus 8x. Okay. If you see here, minus 8x can be cancelled. Okay. The final equation will be, let's move complete left hand side to the right hand side. So, it will be, let's first write 4x square minus x square will be 3x square. Okay. And y square here now we are moving to right hand side. So, it will be minus y square. Okay. Now, x values, we do not have any x values, and let's check for y values. We do not have any y values. Then let's check for constants. The constants are 4 minus 16, it will be minus 12, which is equals to 0. Yeah. Hence, this is the locus of a equation for the given point. Okay. Fifth question from second bit. Okay. Find the equation of locus of a point P. The sum of distance from point A, point B is 6. Okay. It means let the point is A 0, 2, point B 0, minus 2, and our general point locus point P x, y. So, according to the given condition, ichina condition prakaram manam statement em raja, sum of whose distance means PA plus PB is equals to 6. Okay. Idi ichina condition. Okay. Din tarvata manam em cheyochu, previous problems lo ela chesam manam PA square minus PB square chesam. Avuna? Ikkada kuda same ade apply chedam. Equals to root of PA square, PA x minus 0 x square plus PB PA y minus 2 whole square, y minus 2 whole square and whole square. Okay. Minus PB square, PB square ante root of x minus 0 ante x square plus y minus of minus 2 means plus 2 whole square and whole square. Okay. PA square minus PB square ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటున్నామంటే మనకి ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ఏంటిది PA plus PB, లేకపోతే ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్లో మనకి ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ PA minus PB. సో PA minus PB ఆర్ PA plus PB వచ్చే స్టేట్మెంట్ ఓన్లీ A square minus B square ఫార్మాట్లో తీసుకొని వస్తే. ఓకే. అందుకోసం మనం PA square minus PB square చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ క్యాన్సల్. therefore that is equals to x square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y minus ఓకే, ఐ విల్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, అన్నిట్లో ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అన్నీ మైనస్ అయిపోతాయి. మైనస్ వై స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ 4y. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, +4 -4 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, మనకు మిగిలిపోయింది ఏమిటిది, ఓన్లీ -8y. ఇదేంటిది, ఇక్కడ పిఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ పీబీ స్క్వేర్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, పిఏ ప్లస్ పీబీ ఇంటూ పిఏ మైనస్ పీబీ. అవునా, నేను ఈ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ని ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ మైనస్ బీలో రాసా. ఓకే, మనకు పిఏ ప్లస్ పీబీ ఏంటో తెలుసు, అది 6 ఇంటూ పిఏ మైనస్ పీబీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు -8y. అవునా, 2 3s 2 4s. ఓకే, నౌ పిఏ మైనస్ పీబీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు -4y/3. ఓకే, నీకు ఇప్పుడు పిఏ మైనస్ పీబీ కూడా వచ్చింది, ఈక్వేషన్ 2. నౌ లెట్స్ పర్ఫార్మ్ అడిషన్ ఆన్ 1 + 2. ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్, సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్, పిఏ ప్లస్ పిఏ ఈజ్ 2pa and pb minus pb is 0 and right answer it will be 6 minus 4y/3. Okay, from here let's take 2 common. Okay, therefore 2pa is equals to 2 common తీస్తే 3 minus 2y/3. Okay, 2 will be cancelled, therefore the equation is PA is equals to 3 minus 2y/3. Okay, this is the equation. Now let's perform squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides, then it will be PA square is equals to 3 minus 2y/3 whole square. Okay, PA square means we already find out PA square value. PA square value is x square plus y square plus 4, x square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Okay, minus 4. This complete value is a PA square value, which is equals to 3 3s 9 plus 4y square by 9. Okay, 4y square by 9 minus 2 into 3 into 2y/3. Okay, 3 will be cancelled. Okay, now if you see and this is minus 4y, so minus 4y will be cancelled. Now x square and here we have y square and right hand side we have 4y square by 9. So y square minus 4y square by 9 is 5y square by 9, therefore plus 5y square by 9. Okay, this value is done, this value is done. Now next the value is 4, I will send this side and it will be 9 minus 4 will be 5. Okay, now if you see I will multiply the equation, multiply this I will make this 5 to the numerator in the LHS, so it will be x square by 5 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1, because here 5 and the denominator 5 will be cancelled, therefore the given equation is x square by 5 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Okay, here ends this problem. Find the equation of the locus P if AB and PA plus PB equals to 8. Okay, let's take P value also as y come PA and PA plus PB is equals to 8 is the equation 1. Okay, ప్రతిసారి ఒకవేళ మనకు PA plus PB కానీ PA minus PB కానీ ఇస్తే నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది PA square minus PB square, ఎందుకంటే అందులో నుంచి మనం ఐదర్ PA plus PB or PA minus PBని డిరైవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో నౌ లెట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ PA square minus PB square is equals to PA square, which is root of PA x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay, minus this is whole square minus again root of PB square. PB square means x minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3, y plus 3 whole square. plus y plus 3 whole square and whole square. Okay, now if you see square root cancel, this is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square minus y plus 3 whole square. This x minus 2 whole square will be cancelled. Now we have y square plus 9 minus 6y minus y square minus 9 minus 6y. Okay, here now y square minus 9 plus 9 will be cancelled. Only now we have only minus 12y. Okay, here this is pa plus pb and pa minus pb. Okay, pa plus pb and pa minus pb equals to minus 12y. pa minus pb is equals to minus 12y. Okay, ఇప్పుడు pa plus pb ఆల్రెడీ 8 అని ఇచ్చింది కదా, సో నేను ఏం చేస్తా, pa minus pb is equals to minus 12y by 8. 4 2s are 4 3s are, therefore that equals to minus 3y by 2. Okay, this is a pa minus pb value. Okay, now what I will do, 1 plus 2. Okay, pa plus pa, it is 2pa okay is pb minus pb is 0 అయిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 8 minus 3y by 2. Okay, okay, 4 3s are 4 2s are. Okay, now what I will do the squaring on both sides, SOBS. So it will be 4 into 4pa square is equals to 8 minus 3y by 2 whole square. Okay, now 4 into pa square మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం, which is this is the value of pa square, which is okay x square plus 4 minus 4y. Okay, sorry minus 4x. Okay, my plus y minus 3 whole square. Y minus 3 whole square means y square plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, ఇది LHS. Now RHS లో ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయొచ్చు, 8 8 64 minus plus 9y square by 4 minus 2 into 8 into 3y by 2. So 2 cancel. Okay, now 4x square, okay, y square plus 4y square and ఈ y square కూడా ఇక్కడ తీసుకు, ఓకే అటు సైడ్ ఉంచు. నెక్స్ట్ 4x square అయిపోయింది, 4y square అయింది, x వాల్యూ minus 16x. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ minus 4 16 minus 24y minus 24y. నెక్స్ట్ 4 plus 9 13 4 the 52 plus 52 is equals to 64 plus 9y square by 4 minus 8 3 the 24y. Okay, ఈ plus 24 by minus 24y cancel అయిపోతుంది. సో now final equation will be 4x square, ఇక్కడ 4y square ఉంది, మైనస్ 9/4 y square ఉంది. సో ఆ వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుందంటే 4y square minus 9y square by 4 ఏమైతే 4 4 16 minus 9y square by 4, which is equals to 16 minus 9 is 7/4. Okay, which is plus 7y square by 4. Okay, ఇది అయిపోయింది, 4y square అయిపోయింది, y square అయిపోయింది, ఈ y square అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ 16x minus 16x okay, and then constants is 52 64. 52 64 is 52 minus 64 is minus 12, okay, minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, here is the locus equation of the locus for the given condition, and here ends this problem. Okay, seventh question from the second bit. Okay, A 5, 3 and B 3, minus 2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of locus P, so that area of a triangle PAB is equals to is 9 square units. Okay, ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ మీ చేతిలో ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీ. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే నేను కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ షార్ట్ ఫామ్లో రాస్తున్నా, మీకు ఒక్కొక్కసారి అర్థమవుతాయి అవ్వకపోవచ్చు, బట్ ఓన్లీ ఐఎమ్ ఫోకసింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ టు బి రిటన్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్. ఓకే, సో now let's resolve this equation or this solution. Equation of locus of P so that the area of a triangle is PAB. Okay, if a triangle with the points A, B, C, then the area of a triangle with respect to coordinates is, for example, if A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3. Okay, if it is in this case, the area of the triangle will be half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, ఇది important formula for area of a triangle with respect to xy coordinates. Okay, so now we got we have a area of triangle is 9 is equals to half of, here we have A, this value as 5, 3 and B is 3, minus 2 and C is our point x, y, which is a locus. Okay, which is a locus. Okay, so in that case this will be P, and here also I can write it as P. Okay, now half modulus x1 is 5 into y2 is minus 2 and minus y3 is minus y. Okay, plus x2 is plus 3 into y3 minus y0, y3 is y minus y1 is minus 3. Okay, therefore plus x3 is x, y1 minus y2, 3 minus of minus 2, 3 plus 2. Okay, now if you see, I will substitute 18 is equals to modulus of minus 10 minus 5y plus 3y minus 9. Okay, plus 3 plus 2 is 5x. Okay, now you can we can simplify this equation. Okay, 5x minus 5y plus 3y is minus 2y. Okay, next minus 19. Okay, so in this case modulus of an equation is equals to 18, therefore it will be 5x minus 2y minus 19 equals to plus or minus 18. Okay, so in this case we will have two equations, 5x minus 2y minus 19 equals to 18, or 5x minus 2y minus 19 equals to minus 18. Okay, from here 5x minus 2y minus 19 and minus 18, it will be minus 37 equal to 0, or 5x minus 2y minus 19 plus 18, it will be minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore 5x, the final equation we can write it as 3y into 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0, because both are zeros, therefore I multiply both equations equals to 0. Hence here ends this problem. Let's do the 8th problem. Find the equation of locus of point P which forms triangle of area 2 with the points A, B. Okay. Now let's take the point P as x comma y. Okay, and we have a area also 2. Okay, now we know the area of a triangle formula is half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, now area of a triangle is 2 is equals to 1 by 2 half x1 is 1 into y2 minus 3 minus y. Okay, 3 minus y plus x2 is minus 2. Okay, x2 is minus 2 into y3 means y minus 1 plus x3 is x into y1 is 1 minus y2 is 3. Okay, now I will multiply here. 4 is equals to 3 minus y minus 2y plus 2 plus x minus okay, I could have written 1 minus 3 as minus 2, but okay, let's simplify in our next statement. Okay, okay, this will be minus 2x. Okay, this will be minus 2x. Okay, now the equation is minus 2x minus 2y minus 2x minus minus 2x minus 3y, okay, plus 5 modulus is equals to 4. Okay, I will remove the modulus. Minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equals to plus or minus 4. Okay, therefore we will get two equations, minus 3y plus 5 is equals to 4, and the other equation minus 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equals to minus 4. Okay, so from here minus 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0, and the other equation minus 2x minus 3y minus plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, from this equation I will take minus as common. 3y minus 1 equals to 0, or 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, therefore 2x plus 3y minus 1 into 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, here ends our 8th problem. Okay, 9th question from the second bit. If the distance from P to the points 2, 3 and 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of locus P. Okay, they given ratio 2, 3 and a point A, point B. Okay, let's take a point A as 2, 3 and point B as 2, minus 3 and point P as x, y. We have a locus equation, and the ratio means PA is to PB is equals to 2:3. Okay, PA is to PB equals to 2:3. We can write it as PA by PB is equals to 2/3. I will write it as 3PA is equals to 2PB. Okay, this is the equation which this is the equation which will be derived further. Okay, now what I will do, squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides, then it will become 9PA square is equals to 4PB square. Okay, 9 into root of PA x minus 2 whole square. Okay, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, y minus 3 whole square in the whole square is equals to 4 into PB x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, and this is whole square. Because I already squared the 3, that's why I am putting square only for the PA value. Okay, square root cancel, square root cancel. Okay, now it will be 9 into x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, minus 6y. This will be completely in is equal to 4 into okay, let's do one thing. Let's simplify a bit more easier. Okay, what I will do, I will write 9 x minus 2 whole square plus 9 y minus 3 whole square, which is okay, 9 x minus 2 whole square plus 9 y minus 3 whole square, which is equals to 4 into x minus 2 whole square plus 4 into y plus 3 whole square. Okay, now 9x minus 2 whole square, 4x minus 2 whole square, it will be 5x minus 2 whole square, and here we cannot take because this is y minus 3 whole square and this is y plus 3 whole square. Therefore, what I will do, I will write down the statement. 9 into y square plus 9 minus 6y, okay, is equals to 4 into y square plus 9 plus 6y. Okay, now here it will be 5 into x square plus 4 minus 4x. Okay, here plus 9y square plus 9 9s are 81 minus 6 9s are 54y is equals to 4y square plus 4 9s are 36 plus 6 4s are 24y. Okay, now if you see y square, it will 5y square, and yeah, we got this value. Next, y square is 9y square minus 4y square is plus 5y square. Next, x value is, we have only one value, which is minus okay, this is done, minus 20x. Okay, this is also done. Next, y value we have here, okay, minus 54 and minus 24, which is minus 78y. Okay, this is done. Now constant value 5 4 is 20 plus 81, which is 101 minus 36, which is 101 minus 36. Okay, which will be 11 5 9 minus 3 65. Okay, it will be plus 65 is equals to 0. Okay, this is the locus of the equation for the given statement. Okay, here ends our 9th problem. Okay, 10th question from the second bit. A, B, C are 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square equals to 2PC square. Show that the equation to the locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, let's take our locus point as P, x comma y. Okay, the given condition is PA square plus PB square is equals to 2PC square. Okay, PA square means PA, so x minus 1 whole square. Yeah, I think by this time you can resolve this equation by yourself. Okay, yeah, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, and this is completely whole square. Yeah, as we have square. Okay, next to plus root of PB x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. okay, plus y plus 3 whole square, which is equals to 2 into this is whole square, which is 2 into root of x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square in the whole square. Square root will be cancelled. Okay, so now this is, we can write it as x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y plus x square plus 4 minus 4x, okay, plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equals to 2 into x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, we should be bit careful while expanding this bigger terms or the bigger statements. Okay, now if you see, we have x square is 2x square and y square is plus 2y square, and x terms minus 2x minus 4x is minus 6x. Next y terms minus 4y plus 6y is plus 2y. Next 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, now I think we have completed the complete statement, complete equation on LHS, that is equals to x square, only one x square means 2x square, y square plus 2y square, x terms only one is x term, so plus 8x minus 12y. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13 to the 26 plus 26. Okay, now if you see x square is cancelled, y square is cancelled. Now 8x come this side, it will be minus 14x plus 14y and minus 8 is equals to 0. Here 2 can be common and minus also I will take common, minus 2 I will take common, therefore it is 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore locus of the equation is minus 7x minus 7y plus 4 is equals to 0. If you see the which is equal to the given, show that the equation 7x minus 7y plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, therefore here ends the problem, and yeah, it is quite easy, but yeah, we need to resolve it bit careful. Yeah, there might be we commit the mistakes, but if we practice these problems more, definitely we can resolve these questions as much as easy as we can. Okay, with this we completed locus first exercise and also the complete exercise problems of the locus. Okay, ఇక్కడితో ఈ వీడియో చూడండి, మీకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అర్థం అవుతాయని నేను అనుకుంటున్నా. ఒకవేళ అర్థం కాకపోయినా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, మీరు ఈ వీడియో కింద కమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా కమెంట్ చేయడం కుదరకపోతే themathorigin@gmail.com themathorigin@gmail.com కి మెయిల్ చేయండి, మేము తప్పకుండా మీ క్వశ్చన్స్కి రిప్లై ఇస్తాం. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ ది మ్యాథ్ ఆరిజిన్.